First Wisconsin cold start.
Yeah, there we go.
T-Man was
Get the
tripping
plugs
on this
going.
shit. Yeah, T-Man was tripping on this shit.
Yeah,
My
was
buddy
he?
T-Man, I was playing for him.
Dude, he definitely needs some new tires.
Yeah, them ones, you got some side look.
Yeah. He wants to get some. What are you getting? Choking out. Come on. Come on, choke.
Glow plugs. Cranker, cold glow plugs. Cranker, glow plugs.
Find me a truck on Craigslist. No, I'll pay for it. I want a truck.
What kind of truck?
I don't care. It needs to be lifted.
Needs to be lifted already?
Yeah.
It's dead.
There's an S10, 3500.
It will. It will. Have faith. It's a choke.
Yeah, man, chill out.
Come on, baby.
Big ass battery's gonna go dead.
Yeah. pretty
Sounds
damn
like it's
quick.
pretty frozen.
It sounds like it's not starting. You got cables?
I don't have cables.
Uh,
This is what we're gonna do. Is we're just gonna
choked out.
Oh, that one's smoking. It's getting warmer, man. That one's
Come
smoking.
on, keep going.
Come on, yeah. She's still got more.
She's ready.
That means we're getting fuel in.
Yeah, she's smoking. Yeah, I just seen it just started as soon as you close the door.
Yeah, she's smoking.
Yeah. I
I
seen
don't
some
know
of
what
them
the batteries
trucks,
are gonna hold in.
but
Come on. Oh, you do
no,
it.
she ain't got her.
No.
Dome's on, close the door. Hop in, close the door. That's drawing a lot of juice.
Yeah, hop in, close the door. Come on, Josh. No.
No, she ain't gonna do her. She done.
Oh, it's
She
ready
done
though,
did
dude. Look.
frozen.